At what age would you like to settle down, get married, and have kids? Would you ever make the first move on a man? For example, ask him out or be the first to kiss him? Would a 50-year-old foreigner have a chance to go on a date with you? Ay, excuse me. Ay, sorry, Sir, pwede kami ma-interview. Nag-vlog kami. Ano lang, kahit 2 minuto lang. 5 questions man lang. Iyo. 5 questions, madali mo lang ko ta. Okay lang. May we know what's your name and how old are you?
Hi, I'm Ali. I am 24 years old.
Ali.
Ali.
That's a very nice name, Ali. How are you? How are you tonight, Ali?
I'm good. I just got back from work, so I'm resting for a bit.
Resting from work. So you're not a college student.
Mhm.
Okay. Well, I would love to know your opinion, your thoughts about these questions. Okay. For the first one, at what age would you like to settle down, get married, and have kids?
If to be honest, I would like to settle down at the age of 30 or something. But given my profession, my career, I'm it's still not a clear plan for me because first of all, I don't have someone to settle with, and then second, I'm still polishing my career path, and thinking at the age of 30, I still don't think I have that enough finances to settle down. But I don't know for exactly what will happen. So
You don't know exactly, but you're planning to like 30 or
early
okay.
30s.
Okay. Do you ever feel like it might be a bit too late to start a family at the age of 30?
I already thought of that, but given the circumstances, like in this economy, I would not really recommend to settle down if we're not ready. So that's my that's the thing that I want to follow. I want to settle down if I can provide already for my family and for my future kids.
Because of the economy. So that's why. But let's say your partner, okay, your future husband is financially stable. Would you, and then you're at this age 24, would you settle down at this age? And then he is capable to, supporting you financially and your family.
Still no, because I also have my a dream for my own. I want to achieve something in my profession that that even though my partner already can provide for us, I still want to achieve as what wait lang. I still want to reach a point that I can also provide for myself. I've seen how people that are not ready get married and then have kids and then later on suffer or like have the struggles in keeping their family in with finances. So with that view, with that things that I can see, I don't want to
Also experience.
experience it myself. I want a better life for me and for my future families.
What is the most important thing you look for in a man?
Mm, I have a lot of things to say, but I guess being responsible enough. If one can stand up not just for you, but for also for himself, and then and I think one thing that I also want is that compatibility. You know that sense of compatibility with person that even though you both of you are experiencing something deep or something struggling, you still have that faith between the two both of you like that.
Would a 50-year-old foreigner have a chance to go on a date with you? Just a date.
Mm, I think, to be honest, at this point, no.
Mhm.
I really have this certain type in a man, and I want it to be at like similar age with me. or not, or just close with my age, because I want to I want my partner, or the man that I want to be with, that we can connect in time, in terms of maturity, because we're at the same level.
Okay. Even though you said no, what about your class? I mean, your maybe your work. How do you your colleagues, your friends and family who are your age? Do you think they would go on a date with a 50-year-old foreigner?
Maybe some of my friends, but I'm not really sure. But my some of my friends keep also talking about like that. So
Oh,
probably
they're like interested,
yeah.
showing some interest. Like, oh, okay, I want to date some. Okay. Okay. Well, just very honest, and we really appreciate it. For the last question, would you ever make the first move on a man? For example, ask him out or be the first to kiss him?
No, I'm shy. Maybe I would like a guy first, but I would not dare to do the first move, because I'm afraid that I might be rejected or something.
But you ever think about it like that?
Yeah, I've thought of it, but I just can't find the man that I can do it to.
Okay. Now I'm curious. You're 24 years old. Are you single or do you have a boyfriend right now?
I'm single.
How long have you been single?
3 years,
3 years.
2 or 3 years, I
For
think.
3 years. Okay. Okay. May we know ma'am, what's your job if it's okay?
I'm a junior architect.
Be, excuse me, be. Be, pwede ka mo ma-interview? Nag-vlog kami. Ano lang, 5 questions lang. Okay lang? Pero yung dading do, be? Pero yung dading do? Okay, okay lang na. Okay lang. 5 questions lang. Uh, where can we... What are your names and ages?
Mika po, I'm 18 years old. I'm Isabella and I'm 18 as well.
You both have beautiful names, Mika and Isabella. Very pretty. Okay, so here's the first question. At what age would you like to settle down, get married, and have kids?
Maybe ano po, nearing my 30s.
Okay, like 20, 29,
27, 28.
27, 28. How about you, Beth?
After I finish, maybe around 30 years old.
30, around 30. Okay. Do you ever feel like it might be a bit too late to start a family after 30? Since you said 30.
I think no, because I don't plan on having kids, so it's okay. I just want to enjoy my life first.
Interesting. May we know why you don't plan to have a kid?
I'm afraid to commit on such responsibility.
What is the most important thing you look for in a man?
Um, his attitude.
How about you, Be?
Um, I'm looking for someone who respects me as a person and as a woman.
Would a 50-year-old foreigner have a chance to go on a date with you? Let's start with you, Be.
For me, no, because I prefer someone in my age bracket. I feel the same way.
Feel the same way. How about, do you have a friends, relatives that, in the same age with you, that do you think she would date to a 50-year-old foreigner? Friends, relatives, or maybe someone you know.
Yeah, I've known a lot. Yeah.
They would. They would.
Yes.
How about you, Mika?
Yes, they would too. They would as well.
They would. So basically, there are college students like your age, 18 years old, who would date someone who is 50-year-old, a foreigner who is 50-year-old.
Yes.
Okay. Now, if a man tells you he loves you on the first date, what would your reaction be? First date, and then he said, I love you. What would your reaction be?
Um, if if it's a stranger, like we just met on that date, no, I would feel uncomfortable. Me too. I would feel uneasy because for me, love should not be an automatic feeling. It should be gained by your bonds together.
Okay, how about you? If you really like the man, would you say I love you on the first date?
Still no, because love is still something to gain, not just if you like a person, you automatically love them. No, it's not like that. Yes, I have the same answer as you. Okay.
Would you ever make the first move on a man? For example, ask him out or be the first to kiss him.
Um, maybe if I know him well enough. It depends.
How about you, Be?
In my experience, I've done the first move, but not in a way that it's like me who's courting them. It should be them to court me. I just like give them hints that I like them.
But not to the point that you ask him out, like, let's go on a date like that.
Yes.
Both 18 years old. What are you studying, Be?
Nursing po. Forensic science po.
Wow. Wow. This is the first time I've heard that course here. Excuse me, pwede ka mo ma-interview? Nag-vlog kami. Pero hindi rin be. Okay lang. Ano lang, mga 5 questions man lang. Okay lang. Oo. Gusto mo? Sige, yeah. Yeah, mana be. Ay, ano man lang, simple man lang. Opinion man lang. May we know what's your name and how old are you?
So I'm Eunice. I'm 20 years old.
How are you tonight, Eunice?
I'm doing great.
Okay. So, Eunice, here's the first question. At what age would you like to settle down, get married, and have kids?
For my own opinion, I want to my age,
Settle down.
settle down my age are at around 28 years old because I want to be first financially stable before I get married.
28 years old. Okay. By that time, you're also ready to like get married, have kids, right?
Yes.
Now, what is the most important thing you look for in a man?
Can you repeat the question?
What is the most important thing you look for in a man?
For me, I want not financially stable, but I want to find someone who is loyal, trustworthy, honest, and family oriented.
So it doesn't matter if he's earning a lot or enough, it doesn't matter.
Yes, at least he can show his love for me and he's loyal. That's all.
Now, would a 50-year-old foreigner have a chance to go on a date with you?
What age?
50. 50-year-old foreigner.
Um, I would say it depends on my situation.
How about your classmates or your friends and family who are your age? Do you think they would go on a date with a 50-year-old foreigner?
Um, Knowing that I have many friends, I think one of them would date a 50-year-old foreigner.
So it's possible for a 50-year-old foreigner to date someone your age, a college student like you.
Yes.
If a man tells you he loves you on the first date, what would be your reaction?
My first reaction would be surprised because why would you even love me if you don't even know me?
Wow. Okay. Now, how about you? How about you? Do you see yourself like saying I love you on the first date?
Actually, no. I can say that on a first date, no.
Even though, like, for example, you really like the man.
No, I can't say because I want to know him even more. And what do you call this? Build a connection and relationship between us.
First, before saying that I love you. Okay. Now, would you ever make the first move on a man? For example, ask him out or be the first to kiss him.
Um, Based on my experience, I actually did that before
Ooh.
without the kissing part. Just first move through chats.
You ask him Like to go out on a date like that?
Yes, I did it actually.
Once or how many times you did it? Like before? She's counting.
Many times.
Many times.
Yes.
So it's like common. She said she's so stupid. So it's like common for you, right?
Yes. For me, I don't know for them.
Why is that? I want to know why.
Because if I love someone and want someone to be mine, I actually do the first move because I believe in the quotation, take the risk or lose the chance.
Wow. Wow. That's something my husband would say too. Okay. Anyway, babe, you're 20-year-old. What are you studying?
Currently I'm education student, Bachelor of Physical Education.
Physical education. So you like to move like that. Okay. Are you single or do you have a boyfriend right now?
I'm single at the moment.
At the moment. How long have you been single?
2 years.
2 years. Okay. It's been a long time.
Actually, my ex was half Chinese and half Filipino.
Oh, so you dated foreigner before?
Yes.
Okay, so it's not like new to her. Okay, well anyway, thank you so much. We really appreciate your honesty and thank you for sharing your, her answers with us. Thank you. We really appreciate your time. Her friends are waiting. Hopefully, we earn your subscription and also if you want extra videos, please consider becoming a YouTube or Patreon member. Thank you for watching and take care everyone. Bye-bye.
Beautiful reflection